Learn Persian alphabet, part 6, letter H. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another part of learning Persian alphabet and learning Persian pronunciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you can do it right now and turn on the notification so you won't miss other Persian lessons. Let's start our lesson. The 8th Persian letter is letter H. And it is pronounced like in the beginning of the word home or letter H in English. The form of this letter is exactly the same as letter J and Ch. Instead, it doesn't have any dots at all. So, in the beginning or middle of the word, the form is like this, like حتما, صحبت, حباب, حرف. And in the end of the word, the form is like this. For example, نوح, فتح, جراح, and لوح. Now I'm gonna show you a text. You have to find the two forms of the letter H in the text. Now, if you did the exercise, you can check your answers here. Well, let's make a new word with the letters that we know so far. Alef, B, P, T, S, J, Ch, H. حباب, حباب, حباب. Bubble. وای نگاه کن چقدر حباب. وای نگاه کن چقدر حباب. Now let's see how to write them. Okay guys, your homework is to write 3 lines of this letter and this word. You can share your homework on the Telegram group chat or at the DM on my Instagram. I will check them as soon as possible. Okay guys, that was the Persian alphabet part 6. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments below. Don't forget to subscribe it and turn on the notification so you won't miss any other videos. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.